everyone, Mode Rally here, and today we're going to be cleaning our car. But for some reason, the car's just gotten so filthy and so dirty. Shut up. Anyway, but yeah, like, it's so dirty, and it hasn't even been anywhere, right? And it's gotten so dirty, like, I don't know what's happening. The windows are dirty. There's some stuff up here which I can't even see, right? It's just, I don't know what's happened to it, but it's gotten really dirty. But anyway, guys, we're going to be cleaning our car today. We've got some, a bucket of water. We're going to get some dish soap now, and we're going to get a hose because, you know, your boy has nothing else to clean his car with. Right, so I've got a bucket of water, I've got this thing, and some dish soap. Right, now we use the blue thing, and we're going to mix it, right? And it should make me some soapy water. Some bubble, I don't think I've used enough soap. Great. Come on. There we go. Right, okay, you know what, I might use a bit more soap, but time to turn on the hose. Let's turn this on, about there. Guys, that's it. Unfortunately, that's the end of the video. It's a very quick video, and it might be a very boring video too, but I'm just cleaning my car because the Sahara Desert decided to come in and like, yeah. But yeah, I cleaned a bit off the car, cleaned everything. It's looking quite nice. I'm gonna let it to air dry because I don't know how to dry it, because if you get paper towel, you're gonna indent some more things, and that's the only microfiber cloth that I have, and it's now wet. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Give it a cheeky subscribe, and maybe soon I can actually invest myself into a snow throw machine and some other products. But at the minute, it's literally a low pressure bloody hose, and it's a low pressure, just a bucket with some soapy water in it and one microfiber cloth. Like, that's all it is, and hopefully soon we'll get this properly cleaned up. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy this little video, and I'll see you in the next one. Pow.